Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best kids' gardening gloves for ages 2 to 4. If you're looking for durable, comfortable, and fun gloves to introduce your little ones to gardening or outdoor activities, this product might just be what you need. These COOLJOB kids' gardening gloves come in a convenient pack of 3 pairs, each featuring vibrant colors like orange, green, and yellow. Designed specifically for toddlers, these gloves fit small hands perfectly, thanks to their snug elastic wrists which make them easy to put on and take off. The gloves also have extended cuffs that protect tiny wrists from dirt and mud, keeping hands clean and dry during playtime or light gardening tasks. Made from a breathable 13-gauge seamless polyester shell, these gloves ensure comfort even during extended wear. The material is soft and skin-friendly, which means your child can keep their gloves on without feeling any discomfort or fatigue. What's more, the palms and fingers are coated with a non-slip foamed latex, providing excellent grip and safety when handling tools, pulling weeds, or even fishing. This coating helps prevent slips and offers your child greater control over whatever they're holding. Durability is another key feature here. These gloves are built to last through multiple uses and can be easily cleaned in the washing machine, which is a huge plus when dealing with kids and messy outdoor activities. Whether your child is gardening, fishing, or just exploring outdoors, these gloves offer reliable protection and flexibility. The cheerful and fun design makes these gloves appealing to kids, encouraging them to engage in outdoor activities with enthusiasm. Plus, as a product from a small business, purchasing these gloves supports small brands committed to quality. In summary, the COOLJOB kids gardening gloves provide a perfect blend of comfort, protection, and playful design. They fit young hands snugly, protect wrists from dirt, offer a secure non-slip grip, and are easy to clean and maintain. If you want to get your toddler started on gardening or outdoor chores safely and comfortably, these gloves are a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.